Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone USB cable from La Forte. This is a 2.4 ampere cable. The cable length is 1.1 meters. It's for charging and data transmission. It's nylon braided and has a golden connector. Okay, on this side there is a small window. You can see what this particular iPhone USB cable looks like. Once again, the more or less the same information on this side as well. And that's more or less it. This is all the information you have on the box. Let's open this box and take a look inside. So this is it. This is what the iPhone USB cable looks like. So there is a USB-A connector on one end. There's a gold-plated USB-A connector. And this is a lightning connector on the other end. There you can see. What else is there? There's a braided cable. There's a nylon braided cable. And this is 1.1 meter long braided cable. So it's pretty long. That's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the La Forte iPhone USB cable. Thank you for watching.